student, today we are learn classification of steam condenser, types of steam condenser. Condenser mainly divided into two types, jet condenser, that means mixing type condenser, and surface condenser, that means non-mixing type condenser. Jet condenser again divided in three groups: A, low level condenser; B, high level condenser; C, ejector condenser. Surface condenser again divided into three parts: A, standard type; B, waterworks type; C, evaporative type. Low level condenser again divided into two parts: A, counter flow type; B, parallel flow type. Mainly divided into two groups, jet condenser and surface condenser. Here low level condenser divided into two groups, counter flow type. Counter flow types means the exhaust stream enter at the bottom of the condenser, flow upward and meet downcoming cooling water. Low level condenser parallel flow type means in parallel flow both the steam and water enter at the top and the mixture is removed from the bottom. High level condenser, these condensers are provided at a high level with a long vertical discharge pipe. Exhaust stream enter at the bottom, flow upward and meet downcoming cooling water in same way as that of low level jet condenser. In ejector condenser, steam and water mixed while passing through a series of metal cones. Surface condenser, here mainly evaporative type. The steam to be condensed enter at the top of a series of pipes outside of which a film of water is falling. A standard type water cooled cell and tube heat exchanger installed to condense the exhaust steam. Okay, what is jet condenser? In which cooling water is sprayed through jet. Cooling water is sprayed through jet of water and comes in direct contact with the steam to be condensed. Steam and water is directly mixed up. Jet condensers are used where steam recovery is not a main requirement or may be used on small plant. Here steam is not recovered. Steam is not used again in the boiler. Jet condenser mainly used for small power plant. What is surface condenser? In which cooling water flow through the large number of tubes. Inside the tube cooling water flow which are surrounded by steam, and outside the pipe steam is surrounded. Surface condensers are used where the cooling water and the condensate are desired to kept separately. Here cooling water and steam not directly mixed up. Here condensate, that means condensed steam, are kept separately so that the condensate may be reused in the boiler. Jate condensate again used in the boiler only after a little treatment. Little treatment means purification and softening. Okay,